Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create paint by numbers, guiding you through each essential step. First, begin by selecting a high-resolution image that features clear and distinct details. Next, you will simplify this image into separate, well-defined color regions. Finally, assign a unique number to each specific color area, preparing your design for the next stage of development. This foundational work is crucial for a successful project. Now, let's move into digital image processing. You will utilize graphic design software to meticulously outline each individual shape within your simplified image. It is important to reduce the overall color palette to about 20 to 30 distinct colors for manageability. Ensure all dividing lines are thick enough, approximately 1 to 2 millimeters, for easy painting. This refinement helps create a clear and user-friendly design. Next, we focus on color selection and numbering. Carefully select a diverse range of paint colors that accurately represent your original image. Match each chosen color to its corresponding number, ensuring no duplicates. Create a clear legend that links each number to its specific color, which is essential for the painter. Organize your color palette logically, perhaps from light to dark, for easy reference throughout the painting process. Finally, we reach the printing and kit assembly stage. Print the numbered outline onto a suitable canvas or thick paper, ensuring high quality. Prepare individual paint pots for each distinct color, labeling them clearly with their assigned numbers. Include a set of brushes, typically 3 to 5 different sizes, to accommodate various details. Lastly, add a small reference image of the final artwork to guide the painter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.